Hi guys, my name is Jean and yung asawa at anak ko is mahilig sa mga computer games. So, I'm a mom na trying to be fit sa mga gusto nila. So, yung napili kong laruin now is itong Minecraft since gusto ito ng anak ko.
Asa mo pa dong? Unsa akong quest?
Wa kay quest ka, survival na ka, open world. Nga ikaw rin magbuto kung sa'yo mong gusto buhaton.
Kita nyo, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong ginagawa ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako tutungo.
Dili ko kapatay ano?
So maghanap daw ako ng wood para makagawa ako ng bahay kasi lalabas daw mamaya yung mga zombies.
Duwa. Yung mga labas na ko na
Ah, okay.
inventory.
E.
Nawa ng libro, i-click. Ang kapoy, before ka makahinga balay, i-inom sa kanimo plants. Nang nai, bread, di na nimo mahimo pa. Kailangan mo kami na.
Pasensya naman kung medyo hindi talaga ako madaling makagets.
Sa usa ka block.
Nya ka ni equals kani.
Mga nilalaro ko is mobile games lang naman, hindi ganito ka-complicated.
Inihan. Wake up, sabi. It's your mom.
Oh, dahil hindi ko talaga maintindihan yung sinasabi ng
How
asawa
to make an
ko.
axe?
So, pinaano na ako ng anak ko.
Just sure.
So, yung anak ko na
Just
yung
tell her.
magtuturo sa akin.
Sure.
What's your crafting table?
Ah, okay. Sword para asa ni.
Para sa kontra. Sige, para dito.
This one. Unsa ni? Shape ni?
Nanay ko na, nanay durability ng mga gamit.
What's durability? Oh.
Mabulang siya, malulay.
Ah, murag kuan. Oh, kagets na ko.
You can make
O,
a
yan
bed.
na recipe ha. Kada na kayo makuha ang material nga bagong gawas na siya as recipe. Kaya makahil na ka, kumukakon ka.
Bakit feeling ko na stress na ako?
Yeah.
Di ba games,
you see
dapat
this?
chill lang. Pero bakit parang nai-stress na
You see
ako?
this? Portal. But
Portal?
Next step is maghahanap daw tayo ng pagkain para may pagkain tayo
Yeah.
later.
here's your son.
So, yung kanina is baka yon. Then, next nating papatayin is itong chicken.
Ah,
Next is itong baboy, then chicken
Ano
ulit.
nang ngita
So,
ko mga
anything na
pagkaon?
pwede nating kainin.
Sinabi ko na rin.
Okay, I just check. Don't escape. You did watch me.
Okay.
Go to the caves. Use your iron. Find some stone.
Wait, sa?
No, don't use that.
Oh.
Use your axe. Axe is for wood, and pickaxe is for stone. And what is sword is for defending. You know what the hoe do? The hoe do. When you see a hoe like this, that means you can use that for
I can't. Para.
That's a good spot to get a lot of the house.
Sa to work. I will mine.
Yeah, wait, it's one. Ah, yeah. But
What?
you see iron, right? You can see iron.
Where's the iron?
There, that's iron. But you have to, you need stone, stone pickaxe to do it. Like, don't get that.
This one?
Yeah, that stone is great. Be careful for the mobs, because they might spawn. In nighttime, will kill you.
I will make kuan na lang. Stone,
Make an axe. I mean a pickaxe.
Huh?
Where's your crafting table?
Loy, my crafting table, where is it?
You got the crafting table, Mom.
Basta magagikan ganina. Balik ka dito.
Di na ko kasaka.
Use your wood or anything.
Ga, pwede ka kagamit og blocks ga. Na imo-himuon og ladder. Show her kaniya, show her. Show her how to use the blocks as ladder.
That's it. You can even use it good. Jump in.
Makasaka ka ginana.
Next. Sige.
Diba niya?
And you can.
Kuan sa bibi.
Go to her, Kuan.
Oh,
Just make another one. Let her make her own house.
Next. Nya. Make us kuan bi.
Mom, make a wood. You need wood.
Na, patay jud ko aniron bi. It's not a wood.
That is.
Oo. Gigo.
Okay, now we got some wood.
Sige go.
And you got your own craft. I remember I had to play Minecraft.
Sige bi. Bi na.
I'm trying to focus you now. Trying to scare me. Six. Okay, now you can make a bed. Oh no, it's a magic bed.
Pag ayaw sa bed.
What is it?
Pag kuan sa building.
Mom, you don't have enough resources.
I will die jud diha bi.
Yeah, because you're so bad. Okay, I think you need a. See,
Okay.
now you have a stronger axe. I mean pickaxe.
Diha.
Me and my papa started so fast building. That's why.
Ilan, don't compare that to ours. Because we know how to play.
Yeah.
She doesn't know. Just teach her. Make sure she
I mean-
listens to you.
You made a strong sword too. Look at the damage you can do.
Mm.
5 attack damage. 1.6 attack speed. So, you get it. It is stronger than the wooden sword.
Okay.
Guess
Next.
I think that's all for you.
That one, the small, asa na, pickaxe.
Mom. Your,
That wooden, what's that?
you mean the wooden axe?
Change it to stone.
Mom, can you see the red thing?
I can't make.
Yes.
Okay. Then how about?
I thought if you want to hide, just go underground. And you got an apple. Make sure don't let the zombies attack you.
So where can I hide?
I have to kill the sheep so I can make your bed.
Hide somewhere.
Mama, make your bed first so you can sleep.
Let her make it like Phineas.
Di pa ko ana sa.
Zombies can swim. Let her go to the water. Let her drown.
You drown. You can turn into a mob. You turn into a drown.
Even What's that?
No, and that's a zombie.
Ah,
Oh, there's still zombie.
Where's that? I have to cover this up. No. Don't let the zombie kill you.
Oh, I told you it's already morning.
Good thinking, Mom.
Huh?
Good thinking. Now it's look. Okay, now you want to make a base, but you need a lot of wood. So,
Get the phone.
well, I feel like I'm playing.
Wait, ako ikuan.
Okay, now do all the things I told you to say. Now go there so you can get some loot. Look for a flat
What's up?
land.
I want to build it in here.
No, look for a flat land. Wait, Mom. Wait.
How about in here? I want to build in here.
I saw a flat land for you. I'm going to make a house, okay?
Hmm.
For your own.
Okay.
Here's for you. Right click again. What want to make now? Chest?
No, a fire.
Mom! What are you doing?
It's too kuan.
Shabby? Okay,
Oh,
I made that bad because you're very bad, remember?
I know. That's
I
why.
still have to teach you how to teach you a lot of things.
And
I have to teach you a lot
we
of
will
things
put
now.
here. How to put this? One? How to put? Oh, this one. That.
I'm so tired.
Huh?
I'm so tired.
You tired of me?
Because you always don't listen. I told you to watch me so I don't need to argue with you anymore. You're always so tired. It's so hard to teach. Even my doctor says I'm so hard to teach. What are you doing, Mom? Mom, you're using your axe.
Next. Mm-hmm.
What are you doing now?
No, it's
You
kuan na.
do the basics. First, you already got a wood. You already made weapons. Third, you already
Crafting.
You already have
Screen element 2 out of 2.
materials.
Use mouse
Fourth,
cursor
you
button.
do building
Left
the
click
house
to
now.
activate.
But you're still doing you're still
This
in
one
the
Recipe for
fourth
yellow dye.
level because the first level is hiding.
Recipe for blue
You
dye.
only made a tiny house to
Button.
hide. If
Recipe for
you're
yellow
only in
dye.
the fourth level, you need the fifth level to go. You can make a house so you complete
Button. Left click to
your
activate.
mission. Because you have to make a house now, so you'll be in the sixth level.
Where can I put my fire?
Marvin, you don't know how to read?
Huh?
Torch. Torch is not a campfire.
That's why I'm asking you, where can I put a fire so that I can cook a food?
food.
Crafting. Screen element 2 button. Left click to
Why are you
activate.
angry?
I'm so tired about teaching you, Mom. I keep teaching you
Recipe for furnace.
even though you don't even listen. Wait, I'm going to add to all the work.
Oh.
Do all the
There. Oh.
You finished?
Furnace.
Now,
Use mouse cursor or tab button to select element.
chicken. You
And
can use your wood too to cook. Watch. See? It cooks. Even you
It's
can
21 wood
even
or charcoal.
see? Not that hard. Now you have cook.
Oh,
Now you cook this one. Let's wait till it be cooked and after eat.
it will spoil or not?
No, it will never spoil.
Okay.
Mom, I have to teach you a lot of things right now because you don't know how to play them. Mom,
Labi,
yes.
the zombie is coming.
So, is it nighttime?
Mm.
You see,
Oh.
huh? You
I
think,
heard.
Mom, they're dying. The zombie was hiding in the not sunlight, but they're hiding in the sunlight because the sunlight will burn them. Where they're hiding, but one got out, so that means he's going to die. He's dying.
Okay.
Go to sleep now. It's already
Furnace.
good night.
Use mouse cursor or tab button to select element.
Let me see. Wait, I want to see something. Stop on. It's water. 21. You die in the water. You don't die because you're in the water. But when you die, when you fall into the ground, you die. You don't bite. There's no different fishes. My mom was actually so confused.
How to throw it?
Oh, you can't cook that.
How to throw?
Yeah, there's an Enderman. But when you look at the, I think
How do I find the bonus chest?
I think it doesn't look anywhere because it was fun here or it's fun far. That's why I found it near. You know,
Isa.
be careful with the because if you got it close to the door because it's behind you.
I close it.
Stop standing there.
Oh, close it. Close it.
Papa, he's just starting having fun.
Furnace. Use mouse cursor or tab button to select element.
I even have fun in Minecraft.
I think.
Button.
When it
Screen element 1 out of 2.
have fun and do
Press
like
tab to navigate to the next element. Press enter to activate.
after when you complete all your missions, you can go to the Ender Dragon and defeat them and you will. But first, you're still level 4 because you didn't make a house. You're only making hides from the mobs. On crouch. Well, can you crouch?
Okay, take water.
No, you made a bucket. You made 3 iron. I think I know what to do. I think you're going to have to play Minecraft on that one after this. But you only know the game a little, but you don't know you still don't know, you don't know like what you do, that you see that. I know a lot of things because I was in creative mode.
Yeah.
That was an old area. So I think there's a mob because it's dark. You need a torch. Oh, why are you going outside? Sleep! Close the door! Oh, go to your bed.
Chat screen. Input message and press enter to send.
That one, that's a pumpkin. You can use the pumpkin for. You can make
Wait,
an
Labi,
garden.
I will exit mo na, Bi. Because.
You can make an ark golem. But you need a lot. You need
Sumakit yung ulo ko nito guys. So, dito lang muna ako. Day
Game
1
menu.
ito ng ating
Use mouse
Minecraft
cursor to
story.
save and quit to
See
title
you in the
button
next
title screen.
video. Please
Use mouse-
subscribe.